The big news for the eve is here. The NEET PG 2021 is postponed one more time. Why is this happening to me? What should I do now? How should I proceed forward? I know these are the questions in the minds of NEET PG aspirants. So before going into the video, hi guys, this is Dr Venkatesh Karthikeyan, Community and Family Medicine resident from AIIMS Patna. Suddenly before an hour, I started receiving many phone calls and messages telling that NEET PG 2021 is postponed once again. I thought it is just another rumor until I checked the official Twitter handle of our Central Health Minister Dr Harsh Vardhan sir. There were also speculations that his Twitter account might have been hacked. But no, just few minutes back, NBE has officially released a letter mentioning that NEET PG is postponed till further orders. Unlike the first postponement where many were happy, this re-postponement does not seem to leave people that way. Yes, many of you have been preparing for more than a year and it is mentally exhausting for them to extend their preparation to few weeks or few more months. So we actually do not know when we are going to have our NEET PG 2021 announced again. Another common reason for the anxiety is that there are good chances that the competition is going to increase manyfold and the marks are going to skyrocket. You might be worried about yourself. Array, why is this happening to me? But guys, look at the bigger picture. It is the situation of every single NEET PG aspirant. I understand that you have several personal and financial difficulties over past several months and you would have considered April 18 to be the end point. But unfortunately, not everything happens as planned. The only thing which you can do right now is to consider this as an opportunity to revise one more time. Think everything is for good. Take a day or couple of days break, one and only if you really need it, or else just keep preparing irrespective of anything else. You are the same person who complained just few days back that you don't have enough time for revising. This is the golden opportunity given to all of us. Use this time judiciously and make the best out of this. All the very best guys, this too shall pass.